To set Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to read caller names aloud over Bluetooth and headphones only, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select Setting, tap Answering and Ending Calls. Next, tap the gray on-off switch next to Read Caller Names Aloud until the switch turns green to turn it on. Tap Read Caller Names Aloud, and then select Over Bluetooth and Headphones Only. By choosing this setting, now when you have an incoming call and your phone is connected to an audio Bluetooth device or headphones, your phone will read the caller names aloud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.